Prime Minister for one term. Prime Minister two terms.
Commend the incredible work of your Member of Parliament, Tova Hamilton. She is what you would describe as little but power. And I know that such man will get a shock of his life. Because you've come up with the hardest working MP that this constituency has ever had. But quick and fast, young man. You're looking good, your crowd is bustling, and you can see that people are making their way. This is not to say that everything is perfect, but you know what? It is better than it was before, and it continues to improve. Now, Jamaica is at a critical point in its history. Our economy went down badly. It is the Jamaica Labour Party that rescued it. So between 2016 and now, the government that you have elected and you have me as your Prime Minister administering your affairs, we have achieved the greatest level of economic stability and growth that the country has ever seen. In the next term of the Jamaica Labour Party, you will see unleashed the greatest investment in infrastructure that this country has ever had in its history. I use the word infrastructure and it sounds like a big word. Some people just interpret infrastructure to mean the highway them. You see the highway we are built in a St. Thomas. You see we extend the East-West Highway, and you see we have built the Montego Bay Perimeter Road and all of those. But that is not only infrastructure. The road that pass your gate or lead to your community, that is also infrastructure. The water to your house or the water for irrigation to your field, that is also infrastructure. What has happened to us over the last 50 years when we built most of the road and put in most of the water system is that we haven't maintained it and we haven't reinvested in it. Why? Because we never had an economy. Business wasn't going on well. Now we fixed the economy and we are now going to move into a different stage in our development where we are going to take the gains and benefits from the economy and reinvest it into your community. It does pain my heart when I'm driving through a community and the people run come out, you know, and them say, Prime Minister, we love you, we love you. But the road, we want water. In the back of their mind, they understand. They see the work that we are doing. But every time you drive and drop in a pothole or you go and you turn on your pipe and you get frustrated. You get frustrated. And you say, I love Andrew, but no one will walk the same way. I am hearing your cries. We have gone out, we have done our survey. People happy with the government. You deal with unemployment. Happy with the government, you cut crime. Happy with the government, you cut poverty. But now the concerns of the people is about the infrastructure, the things in their community that makes their life more convenient. You know what else we pick up in our polls? People happy about how we treat public transportation, the investments that we have been making in buses. And people are happy that we are putting in place a new school bus system which will benefit communities in this area. But now they want to hear what we're going to do about the roads in their community and the water system. So in the same way, we have made a massive investment, the largest ever one-time allocation for road repair called the SPARC program. $45 billion. Check it. No other government has made that allocation. I am here to tell you that we are coming with a SPARC program number 2 in our next term, which will take on more roads, in fact more local roads. And we are going to have a similar program for water. Now, all of that can only happen if you continue to run the economy well. No matter what you hear the PNP say, they cannot challenge the fact that this government runs the economy well. You can't challenge. Water don't fall from the sky. Yes, it rains. But to get it into your pipe as drinking water, you have to have a treatment plant, you have to have pump, you have to have pipe. And what you have to do, you have to pay for it. There are only 2 ways to pay for it, you know. It's either you borrow and pay for it, or you earn the money and pay for it. Previously, the PNP used to borrow to pay for development. That is why the debt was so high. Now, we don't borrow again. The debt was 100 and now we have brought it down. It is now 68% of GDP. That means that if Jamaica today decided that we're going to pay off all the money we owe, we still would have about 33% of our GDP left. That is where we're coming from. Before, when the debt was 150% of GDP, even if we pay off the debt, we still owe 50% more. You see how things change for us, for the better. So all I'm saying to everyone here in Duncan listening on, good government has value. Good government works on behalf of Jamaica and you. Elections are about a choice. You can exercise your choice like how you choose your football team. Desmond McKenzie is a Manchester United fan. No matter what Manchester United do, he always a turn up in a Manchester United shirt. I am a Liverpool fan. And no matter how because Liverpool, when they win the one time, we celebrate with them. But you cannot approach your politics like how you approach football. The consequences of choosing the wrong football team is pale in comparison to the consequences of choosing the wrong government. So I ask everyone here in Duncan, we come to you not with promises, but I hold up this book here, the evidence of the achievement. You can read it for yourself, and you can notice that not even the PNP can question what is in this book because there are real achievements that can be seen and felt. In fact, we have circulated this book. I hope that all of you get a copy of it, go home and read it and see a government of performance. On that basis, I ask you to think carefully on your choice. Look at the evidence of performance that forms the substance of the things that you hope for. You can have faith in the Jamaica Labour Party and the administration that I lead to deliver the things that you need. I humbly ask for your support. I am not asking you to give me a third term as a right. I am asking you to consider whether the efforts of the government merit the consideration of returning to office to continue the work. And I'm sure that when you put us in the balance and you weigh us, you will find that our performance is worthy of your vote and support. God bless you and thank you.
Thank you very much, Duncan.